Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course on this part 125 Laravel 11 store JSON format data in database tutorial. And this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my XAMPP server already started Apache and MySQL, and this already run localhost PSP. My admin in charge this real estate _Laravel _11. This is a database name, and this is a all table is available, and this my project is available XAMPP folder inside this htdoc folder, and this is a project. This project is already open. This is my Sublime text editor. Let's this project inside this open cmd means command prompt opens this project directory inside. Let's run PSP artisan server. PSP artisan server working fine. This URL is a copy and hit this browser. Successfully working fine. Let's first of all web.php open, route inside this web.php open. Inside this new controller is a create controller, name is a item controller. Let's item controller. First of all, this is a item controller is a copy. This copy controller copy, and this is a create. This first of all inside this new function is a create. Paste here inside this paste, and to route is a create. First of all, this is a create route get item create and this is a controller already. This is a include same here cut and paste here class, and this is a created. The same function name is a copy and paste here. Successfully paste save file. Let's copy this name inside this app http and controller inside this new controller create PSP. Successfully create. This is a good working. This is a controller is a successfully created. This controller inside this created controller inside this. Open this controller inside this email controller, same here copy this and paste here. This controller name is a copy and paste here. Please write down this name is a copy, same name copy and paste here, and this is a close this not use. This is only simple. This copy this name and public function paste here, and this is a paste echo my www.errorsolutioncode.com and I save file. Let's first of all this is a copy and inside this slash and enter. Successfully working. This is a my official website errorsolutioncode.com. This is the official website is available. Inside this anytime contact. This WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype is available anytime contact. And new website development, so please contact. And this my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow this all page Instagram, Facebook and GitHub. This is a successfully show good working. This is a function is a successfully working. Let's inside this new model is a create and include. Let's new model is a create and include. Use app model inside this is a item model is a create item model, and this close this successfully close and copy this name copy and model inside this new model is a create. Let's create and this PSP. Successfully create this model inside this good working. Let's event model is already available. Let's same here copy and paste here. This successfully paste and same here rename copy and paste. This is a successfully sent. This is the name is a item. This simple item. This model is a successfully create on inside. This is a included, and this is a item. Inside this two name is a include. First of all fillable in this is a name, and second is a date, and this is a not use and is a remove. Next is a protected $cast. is equal to JSON. Close this. Detail JSON save file. Successfully included. This model is a successfully included. Good working. This model has factory. This is the all included. This request is not use this remove, not use this request. Successfully model is a create. Please write down. Let's inside this is included already. Let's create function. First of all, this is a copy, same name copy, and inside this open new open, and this is a item inside. First of all, this is ID, name, not name, name. This details, and this is a created date, and last is a updated date. This is a updated date, and this is a where text. Let's text include, and this is a this is a date and time. Last is a date and time. This is all null implementation. This is a null 11255, and this is all null text. And this is a primary key is a select. This is all increment is a select, and this is inside this primary key is a selected. This is all good. This is a table is a created. Let's create this successfully. Create this item table. Let's check this item table. Inside this why not available. Let's show this is available item table successfully created. Good working. This table is successfully created. Let's create this record. This is a successfully include, and this is a remove, not use this remove, and this is a implementation step by step controller create. First of all, this is a dollar input is equal to paste here. First is available. This is a close. First name is a mobile. Second is a detail. First this is a mobile is a include. Second is a detail. Same here copy and paste here detail. First is a brand. This is a JSON form. Brand is a mobile is a first is a MI. This is a tag. Tags means available tag. Tag means MI means 33 tag is available. First of all, this is a red tag. Red. Second is a black, and third is a white. Otherwise, any tag is a implement. Successfully implementation. Let's return. This is the same copy and create. This is the same here copy and paste here. Inside this paste here. Save file. Let's successfully save file is a good. Let's refresh this page. Inside this is a check. This is a blank, and this is a refresh this page. This is a JSON format is a show. This name is a mobile, brand MI, and this is a all tag this created, and this last is a ID. Let's refresh this page. Successfully available. This is a one number ID is available one number. This created and updated date is available. Created and updated, and this is a tag is available. Let's copy. Inside this is included. This is included. Let's check this. Show me. Let's show. This is a show. This is a all tag brand is available. Good working. This is a successfully implementation. Let's again refresh this page. The same here. This is ID is a 2 number. Let's refresh this. Second order is created. The same record. Let's mobile is a sense, and this is a name is a Apple. Save file, and this is a save file, and refresh this page again. This is a JSON create. This is a JSON is created. good working. This is a fine, all successfully inside this implementation. Next, JSON get means source API is a get implementation. Same here, copy. This is the same here, copy and paste here. Inside this only name is a set source, and this is a source. Good working. Let's same copy this, copy, save file, this file, save, copy. Inside this open public function new create. This is a public function, paste here, and this second is a source. $item is equal to the same name is a copy and paste here, and this is a where JSON contain, and this is the tag is already create. This is a detail tag. This is the same here, copy this details, otherwise this detail is a copy and paste here, and this second is the same name is a copy tags. This is a detail and tag is a copy, and this is a inside this implementation white colorless white, and this is a get, and last is a close return. This is a $item save file. Let's save file and check this, refresh this page, copy. This is a copy, your copy, and inside this is a create is remove and source implementation. This is a three all available. This is a all successfully tag is a refresh this page successfully available, all good. This is a successfully all good, and this is a all successfully. Let's refresh this page. This is only white get. Let's inside this is a implementation. Next create. This is a create. This is a create. This function is a create. This is a for record is a created. This for record less white is a remove. Inside this implementation blue. This is a blue is a create. Let's refresh this create blue, and this is a blue is a successfully create. Let's refresh this page, and this is a 5 record is available. 1 to 5 record is available. Inside this is a only 1 record create. Let's blue is a create. Let's source record is create. This is a paste here source, and this is a 1. This is a ID 1 2 3 and 4. Only 4 record is available. This is a white available, white available. This is a white available, and this is a white not available blue. Let's same here blue implementation. This is a blue, copy and paste here, and this is the only blue record is a show. Let's search, and this is the only blue record. This is a different inside this is available blue, so this blue. Let's inside this name send, and this is a yellow, same here paste here yellow, and this is the same here copy yellow, so this is only yellow is a show. Let's refresh this page, save yellow, and this is refresh. This is only yellow is a show, not a extra color is a show. Good. This is a JSON format. This is raw format. This header format. All working fine. This is all implementation. This is only get record, and this is a all record is a get simple way, and this is a all record is a get. This is not a condition. Let's refresh this page. All record is a get. This is a working fine. This is a all record. 5 number is a get yellow. This is a all record, and this is a where condition is a implement. This is a get only simple name tag wise is a get. Good working. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Please write down. This is a 2 available inside. This is a included. This is a included controller included, and this is a item controller is available, and this is a model is available. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. All done. Please write down, refresh this page. Any doubt, so please contact anytime. Thank you.